Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM video channel. Getting better at saying that. Okay, so stepping up. I'm stepping up. I'm getting better at this already. Anyway, check this out. If you'd watched video or the how to use the TenKei Total Profit part 4 and part 5, we had actually, using this TenKei Total Profit, jumped into a trade. Not just jumped into it willy-nilly, but we jumped into a trade because we could see it going up. Basically, that's it. This is a trade. This is a market with absolutely nothing. It's a naked market. It's got no indicators on there whatsoever. So therefore, there's nothing there to tell you what to do. But the real thing to know what to do is when the market's moving up, you go up. When the market's moving down, you go down. Now, if you were going down here, you would have made quite a bit suddenly. But then it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. It's like trying to catch. It is like trying to catch a chicken, isn't it? You know. But if you know your market, i.e., for instance, we know the DAX. The GER30 is a DAX. We watch it. We look at it all the time. We don't look at anything else. But I'm not saying to you to just look at the DAX. You look at what you want to look at. But if you can see it moving up and you want to get into the trade, you could go in here or over into MT4 and whatever platform you use. It's normally going to be MT4 anyway, and set it up to get out at a certain price. But when you do get out, it will just still get you out of the trade and do nothing else. But the TPT, the TenKei TPT, will shut your trades down. So we were in the trade previously and it shut the trades down. It shut everything down. So where we have auto trading on, auto trading must be switched on in order to activate the TPT. So when you place a trade, depending on the amount of the total profit target you put in there, once this target is hit, everything shuts down. Auto trading shuts down. So therefore it says that's it. You're not going to trade and you cannot trade anymore, not unless you physically press auto trading back on. So the TPT is really here for you, to manage you, to control you. You know, who wants to be controlled? Nobody really. But when it comes to trading, oh yes, because you don't overtrade it. We've all been there, overtrading, losing money, etc. But this is all about money at the end of the day, making money, not losing it. And the TPT is going to make you some serious money if you use it correctly. Anyway, we want to talk about the total stop loss. You can put in this figure of 3 or whatever you want. We're going to put in that figure back in there of 12.5. I think after me talking to you now, I may change that figure altogether to 3 or something. You know, we were doing 5 previously, but I don't know what happened to change our minds. But anyway, over here, the total stop loss. The total stop loss also means that if the market goes against you, so if you're buying, but the market goes horribly against you, or just, I mean, it's horrible anyway, isn't it? But it goes against you, the maximum that you will lose will be 30. Lose in any trade, any 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, doesn't matter. You can have as many markets here as you want. The maximum you will lose will be 37.5 points. You can set this number to whatever you want. If your risk appetite is only as far as 15, you can put in 15. So if the markets go against you and it hits 15, you're out, and then you can start again. Now, you don't really want a number like this, not unless you, I suppose you could do something like, look at this. You can put in 1,000. It depends on what type of trade you're doing. You may be a long-term trader, maybe a swing trader. You may not be trading on a minute chart. You may be trading something like a 30-minute chart. Let's just close this down here a minute. Let's do that, and 30-minute chart. Hitting up here. Yeah, let's click on 30 and wait for that to populate. Oh, that's the wrong one over here. We want to go back. I want to make that the daily. So 30. Let me do this. Bring this down. Over here, time frames. So yeah. So let's put that back to where it should be. Daily over here. Over here is what I wanted to show you. Doesn't matter about these little mistakes and errors. We do I do aim for perfection, but I'm showing you how to use all this, because if you're a first time user, you don't want to jump into this straight away. You want to learn how to use it. But here, 1 minute chart, it says GER 30 M1. You can change it to a 5 minute chart. See that? 5 minute chart looks exactly the same, doesn't it? But it's a 5 minute chart. So each one of these bars equals 5 minutes. Let's jump back over here. Back over here. Each one of these bars on 1 minute chart equals 1 minute. 1 minute has passed. 60 seconds has passed and it changes. 60 seconds has passed and it changes. 60 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Change it to 5 minute. 5 minutes have passed. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. You get it, right? This one here is 15 minutes. It's a longer time frame. Now look, I put the period separator in here, which shows today and yesterday. Today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday. So this is showing you more or less what's going on over 24 hours now. So let's see over here, the 30 minute. Look, it's showing us 3 days. 1, 2, 3 days. And hourly, showing us, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, or 6.5. So this is the way it's been set up on the width of my chart. Okay, so each one of these charts, each one of these bars, right? This is called a bar chart. Is 1 hour. So for you who trade on a 1 hour chart using your own EA, your own trading system, well, that means you could have your total stop loss as high as 1,000. Let's just go back again, okay? Because you may say you may be trading on let's see, let's go over here, 1 hour, change to 4 hourly, 4 hour chart. Each one of these bars equals 4 hours. 4 hours passed, then it changes. 4 hours passed and it changes. Over here, this is 4 hours, okay? 4 hourly chart. So if you're trading on a higher time frame, then that means your stop loss will be wider. You can afford to have it at 1,000 or whatever you want. But then again, remember, if you want to use the 2-to-1 ratio, well, why not make this 2,000, which is really ideal. So as we, let's say, grow this community, because this TenKei TPT allows you to be able to use it on any market you wish. You know, we may end up growing an opportunity, a community, and an opportunity, and everything else. And so it would be nice if someone came and showed us how to master this, because we've been thinking about all the other stuff. We've been sweating the small stuff. This is the big stuff. Although we got this right, the TPT can do way more, far more than we expected. Okay, so the total stop loss means that if and when the market hits your total stop loss, it could be 1,000, it could be 500, yep, it could be whatever number you want, and in the good old days we used to set it to 30. So if you had a multiple of charts, markets over here trading the FTSE, DAX, Dow, the Euro dollar, cable dollar, Aussie dollar, whatever, if it's all trading over here, if all of them as a group hit 30 points as a stop, going against you hit 30 points, that means everything was shut down, done for the day. This is what you want to use the TPT for, to manage you, to say, if it hits this total stop loss, I'm out, come back another day. Of course, if it hits your profit over here, let's just key this in and let's make this 60. All right, if it hits your target, you should be very happy. Yep, for the day, your total profit target, it shuts it all down, you walk away. So either way, if your total profit target is hit, if you decide that you want to get X amount of points for the day and it's hit, it shuts it down, you walk away. If your total stop loss is hit, it's going to shut down, for you, you walk away. So that's what the total stop loss is all about. Okay, we're going to come back in the next part, which will be part 7, to talk about the auto trading time.